people, they have this video for showing, right? They are showing how Jamaican bus drivers and drive careless. You see what I say? And the people, like all the schoolboy and the school girls, them love the bus them with the music them and the pretty bus them, and you know, drive careless, dilly dally and things. You see what I say? People want to take it in this video. Come and tell me this. No one don't take bus, no. But the people who don't take bus want to watch that video and tell me what they think. Oh, them drive dangerously. Yeah, man. Real.
Behold the magnificent jiggle shuttle, a peculiar species of coaster bus that delights the locals in the streets of Jamaica. Its remarkable ability to swing from side to side with unparalleled rhythm and flair has earned it a special place in the hearts of Jamaicans. These remarkable buses not only ferry passengers from place to place, but transform into vibrant dancehall clubs on wheels. As the jiggle shuttle glides through the streets, the shocks and suspension system seemingly transform, turning into a whole springboard, a mobile dancehall trampoline. It is the intricately designed suspension system that grants the jiggle shuttle its astounding agility. With each wheel acting as a springboard, the bus bounces from one to the next, effortlessly gliding over bumps and undulations on the road. This remarkable adaptation allows the jiggle shuttle to maintain an impressive speed while providing an orange juice experience for its passengers. Do you get it? Orange juice, shake well. Let me continue. A few extraordinary jiggle shuttles have achieved an iconic status that will forever be etched in the minds of the locals, the renowned jiggle shuttle siblings, Stainless, Metro, Helter Skelter and Whisper. Veterans known far and wide. The jiggle shuttle's transformation into a dancehall club on wheels fosters a sense of unity and celebration. The barriers of age, background and language dissolve, replaced by a shared passion for music, movement and prayers for safety. In this rolling sanctuary of rhythm amongst the flurry of emotions, passengers young and old discover solace and a sense of safety by gripping onto a particular handle known as the Jesus Help Me. A faithful companion that provides comfort and a sense of security amidst the rapid twists and turns of the ride. As the journey draws to a close, a sense of accomplishment and gratitude permeates the air. Passengers disembark with wide smiles, their prayers answered, knowing that they have encountered something extraordinary, a thrilling adventure that will forever be etched in their memories. In the daring dance between speed and safety, the jiggle shuttle serves as a reminder that life is meant to be embraced, even in moments of uncertainty. It invites us to hold on tight, offer our prayers, and surrender to the sheer thrill of the ride. And in those moments, we discover the remarkable resilience of the human spirit, as it dares to confront fear and emerges with laughter and an unyielding zest for life.